The sun warms the air, casting a golden glow over the orchard. A gentle breeze rustles the leaves, creating a soothing symphony of nature. It's a beautiful day at the orchard, with clear skies and vibrant greenery all around. Rows of fruit trees stand tall, their branches reaching out as if to greet the sun. Branches are heavy with nature's bounty, laden with ripe, juicy fruits. We're picking fresh fruit today, savoring the simple joy of harvesting by hand. Juicy peaches and plump berries fill our baskets, each one a testament to the orchard's abundance. These will be perfect for our no-fool pie, a delightful treat made from the freshest ingredients. Each piece of fruit is a treasure, carefully selected for its ripeness and flavor. We choose the ripest and sweetest ones, ensuring our pie will be bursting with flavor. The smell of peaches fills the air, a fragrant reminder of summer's bounty. The berries glisten like tiny jewels, each one a burst of sweetness waiting to be enjoyed. These fresh ingredients will make our pie special, a true celebration of the orchard's gifts. Our basket overflows with color and fragrance, a vibrant display of nature's palette. We're ready to head to the kitchen, where the magic of baking will transform these fruits. It's time to turn these beautiful fruits into a delicious pie, a labor of love and tradition. This is what baking from scratch is all about, using the freshest ingredients to create something truly special. The kitchen awaits, warm and inviting. Flour dusts the countertop, ready for the work ahead. A rolling pin sits ready, a trusty tool in the art of pie making. The aroma of fresh fruit fills the air. Let's get baking and create something wonderful. No-fool pie is known for its simplicity. It's easy to make and perfect for any occasion. Anyone can bake it, even beginners. It's a great way to start your baking journey. We start with a store-bought pie crust. This saves time and ensures a perfect base. No need to make one from scratch. Simply unroll the crust and you're ready to go. Unroll the crust and gently press it into a pie plate. Now for the filling, which is the heart of the pie. Mix the sliced fruit with sugar and a touch of cornstarch. This combination is key to a delicious pie. This will thicken the juices as the pie bakes, ensuring a perfect consistency. Pour this sweet mixture into the crust, spreading it evenly. Dot the top with butter. This step adds richness and enhances the flavor. Making each bite delightful. Finally, cover the pie with the other pie crust. This seals in all the delicious filling. Crimp the edges to seal in all the goodness. This step is crucial for a perfect pie. Our no-fool pie is ready for the oven. Place it carefully and let it bake. The aroma of baking fruit will soon fill the house, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The oven timer beeps. It's time to see our masterpiece. The kitchen is filled with the sweet smell of baked fruit and buttery crust. The pie is golden brown and bubbly. We carefully take the pie out of the oven. It needs to cool for a bit. This allows the filling to set. The anticipation builds as we wait. It's hard to resist, but patience is key. A scoop of vanilla ice cream would be the perfect topping, or maybe a dollop of whipped cream. The possibilities are endless. Finally, it's time to enjoy our no-fool pie. This pie is a true labor of love, crafted with care and attention to detail. The first slice reveals the bubbling fruit filling. It's a sight to behold, with the rich, juicy fruit just waiting to be savored. The crust is flaky and golden. Each bite offers a perfect balance of texture and flavor. One bite and we're in heaven. The joy on everyone's faces says it all. The sweetness of the fruit, the buttery crust, it's a match made in dessert heaven. The hint of spice, it's pure comfort food. A touch of cinnamon or nutmeg elevates the flavors. This pie is delicious warm or cold. Whether fresh out of the oven or chilled, it never disappoints. It's perfect for any occasion, a summer picnic, a holiday gathering, it brings people together, or just a simple dessert on a weeknight. It's the perfect end to any meal. No-fool pie is more than just a dessert. It's a tradition, a way to share love and warmth. It's a taste of home, a reminder of where we come from and the simple joys of life. It's a reminder of simple pleasures, the kind that make life sweet and memorable. It's a recipe to share with loved ones, a way to create lasting memories together. Try making your own no-fool pie. Use your favorite fruits. Experiment with different combinations. Get creative with the spices. Make it your own. Happy baking. Enjoy every slice and share the happiness.